natural language processing, generative AIs, chat GPTs. How does it generate such an accurate text? Have you ever thought of it? No worries. Myself Srish, and today we are going to have a conversation on how context-free grammars are applied in natural language processing. So let's begin. So first, let's understand what is context-free grammar. Imagine you are writing a recipe and you have different ingredients and steps. A context-free grammar is like a set of rules of writing recipes. In context-free grammar, you have ingredients called as non-terminals and instructions called as terminals. Each rule tells you how to combine ingredients and instructions. For example, you might have a rule like mix in a bowl or preheat the oven to a temperature. Context-free grammars are used in computer science to understand and create languages like programming languages or natural languages. They help computers understand the structure of these languages, just like recipes help us follow cooking instructions. So, if we look at its formal definition, we can say that formally a context-free grammar is a four-tuple n, sigma, r, and s, where n is a set of non-terminal symbols, sigma is a set of terminal symbols, r is set of production rules, and s is the starting symbol from n. The production rules specify how non-terminals can be replaced by combinations of terminals and non-terminals. Now, let's move ahead and see what does NLP mean. NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. It is a subfield of artificial intelligence that studies the interaction between computers and humans using natural language. NLP allows computers to perceive, interpret, and synthesize human language, resulting in more natural communication between humans and technology. Language translation, sentiment analysis, chatbot, and speech recognition are all examples of applications that use natural language processing. Some real-world applications of NLP include sentiment analysis. NLP is used to analyze and understand the sentiment behind the text data such as social media posts, customer reviews, and survey responses. This is valuable for businesses to gauge public opinion about their products or services. Machine translation. NLP powers machine translation systems that translate from one language to another. Google Translate is a popular example of machine translation system that utilizes NLP techniques. Chatbots. NLP is essential for building chatbots and virtual assistants that can understand and respond to natural language inputs. These chatbots are used in customer service, online support, and information retrieval. Now, let's look ahead how context-free grammar helps in text generation. Context-free grammar provides flexibility in language modeling by defining production rules that can generate infinite variety of grammatically valid sentences. Also, context-free grammar's recursive nature allows them to describe nested constructs such as embedded clauses, complicated noun phrases, both of which are crucial in natural language. Context-free grammars can capture the intrinsic ambiguity of actual language, allowing for numerous readings of same phrase construction. Context-free grammar can be modified to reflect the distinct grammatical structures and idioms of different natural languages by specifying appropriate prediction rules or production rules. Now, these are the three types of algorithms which are used for building and validation of context-free grammar: top-down parsing, bottom-up parsing, and chart parsing. Further, we can see the applications of context-free grammar in natural language processing. Context-free grammars are commonly employed in natural language processing to model the syntactic structure of words. Context-free grammars can record sentences' hierarchical structure, allowing for accurate parsing and interpretation of complicated linguistic constructions. By defining the rules for generating valid sentences, context-free grammars are employed in tasks such as parts of speech tagging, named entity recognition, and syntactic parsing. They form the foundation for building powerful language models and enabling deeper comprehension of natural language. Although there are some applications, there are some limitations too of using context-free grammar in natural language processing, like ambiguity. Context-free grammars struggle to capture the inherent ambiguity of natural language. Long-distance dependencies. They fail to model long-distance dependencies between words and phrases. Semantics. Context-free grammars focus on syntactic structure, lacking the ability to capture deeper while semantic meaning. While context-free grammars provide an effective foundation for modeling natural language syntax, they fall short of properly reflecting the complexity of human communication. The inability to capture ambiguity, long-distance interdependence, and deeper semantic nuances limits their usefulness in many real-world natural language processing applications. To overcome these limitations, researchers have came up with various solutions. So let's see the solutions. Augmented grammar. Researchers have developed extensions to context-free grammar such as attribute grammar, feature structures to better model the rich linguistic phenomena in natural language. Lexicalized grammar. Grammars like lexicalized tree adjoining grammar (LTAG) incorporate lexical information directly into the grammar, enabling more precise modeling of word-level dependencies. Unification grammar. Unification-based formalisms, like head-driven phrase structure grammar (HPSG) combine CFG with feature structures to capture complex syntactic and semantic constraints. The major solution which was introduced to overcome the limitations was the probabilistic context-free grammars. Probabilistic context-free grammars, in short, which is known as PCFGs, go beyond typical context-free grammars by giving probabilities to each production rule, which capture the possibility of producing specific language constructions. PCFGs enable probabilistic parsing, where the most likely parsed tree for a given input sentence can be efficiently computed using algorithms like the CYK or early parsers. PCFGs have proven beneficial in a variety of NLP applications, including speech recognition, machine translation, text creation, and semantic parsing, since they provide a logical approach to modeling language structure and ambiguity. Also, there are some challenges that we face while learning context-free grammar from data. Inferring context-free grammar from linguistic data is a difficult undertaking. The search space for alternative grammars is enormous, making it challenging to identify the ideal grammar that accurately describes the observed data. Another problem is the prevalence of ambiguity in natural language, which might result in numerous valid parse trees for the same sentence. This ambiguity makes it difficult to reliably infer the underlying grammar structure. Also, real-world language data is often sparse and incomplete, making it difficult to learn a comprehensive grammar that generalizes well. The algorithms for learning context-free grammar from data can be computationally expensive, especially for large-scale language models. Natural language exhibits significant variation in syntax, idioms, and grammatical structure, which can complicate the process of learning a universally applicable context-free grammar. Overcoming these challenges require advanced machine learning techniques, careful feature engineering, and incorporation of linguistic knowledge to guide the grammar induction process. Let's see what is the future in research in context-free grammars and natural language processing. As the field of natural language processing evolves, academics are pushing the boundaries of context-free grammar to address increasingly complex linguistic issues. Key areas of attention are developing parsing algorithms that can handle noisy, ungrammatical, or ambiguous natural language input with high accuracy and efficiency. Second is leveraging large language corpora to automatically induce context-free grammar that capture the latent structure of natural languages. Third one, extending context-free grammars to include more semantic information and improve natural language understanding. As the discipline evolves, combining context-free grammar with other sophisticated NLP approaches such as deep learning and probabilistic modeling holds enormous promise for realizing natural language processing's full potential. Future directions in context-free grammar for NLP include improving parsing efficiency and accuracy using probabilistic models, integrating CFG with neural networks to improve syntactic and semantic representation, and adapting context-free grammar to handle more complex linguistic phenomena like long-distance dependencies and cross-linguistic variations. Research also focuses on creating context-free grammar-based methods for semantic parsing, code generation, and machine translation. Furthermore, there is a rising interest in combining context-free grammar with other grammars, formalisms, and linguistic theories to provide a more complete grasp of natural language syntax and semantics in natural language processing systems. So I hope we got to learn a new thing, and thank you very much for giving me your time. Thank you.